is home. The media room is a full-size movie theater right in your house. Do this for all in one of Leander's most desirable neighborhoods. The media room, people are watching me room, and I can't do it room. Most desirable neighborhood. Blah. Hey guys. Hey guys, if you don't know me, my name is Jaden Tipton. I'm a local realtor here in the greater Austin, Leander area, specializing in first-time homebuyers, growing families, and buyers relocating from out of state, relocate to this amazing area. If you're thinking about moving to Leander or the greater Austin area, you're in the right place. Leander was just voted the 8th best city to live in the entire U.S., and it's easy to see why. Top-rated schools, growing job market, and a lot of things to do in this area. So if you're ready to make that change, feel free to download my buyers, sellers, and relocation guide in my bio, as well as schedule a consultation with me to go over the entire process in detail to make sure your home buying process is as best as possible. Hey guys, what if your next house not only has space, but also a purpose? I mean 5 beds, 4 baths, a media room, a game room, and a 3-car garage. And that's not even the best part about it. The best part is that we're in one of Leander's most desirable neighborhoods. And so this house isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And so whether you're buying, relocating, or just dreaming, you don't want to miss this home because it has so much to offer. Hey guys, welcome to Brightland Homes, Dartmouth classic floor plan that we're going to tour today at 1820 Windy River Path. You're going to look over here to my right, you're going to see a fully sodded front yard with 2 complementary trees, professionally landscaped flower garden, a fully sodded rear and side yard, and then we're going to check out some of the lighting features out here that you'll get, which are standard as per plan, and they just will move based upon how the house is built. As you can see from the space, you got a 3-car garage, which we'll check out later in the tour. So we're going to work our way through here. You're going to see that we have a 9-foot front door that is very pretty, awesomely stained. We're going to walk through. And right here on the right, we're going to have not only a bedroom, but also a bathroom that my cameraman will pan through. And you're going to notice some key features on each of these doors that you'll see, where you have your black finish handles, which are standard per plan, as well as a quartz countertop in your bathroom, stand-up shower, tile shower that is standard and per plan based upon colors and things like that. As you continue to move through the home over here, I'm going to point out the dedicated dining room area for your family gatherings that you can hold. You know, if you don't have family gatherings, you can just hold parties and things like that. A lot of space. We're going to continue to move into your huge living area plus the kitchen with giant windows. As if you didn't catch it in the last video, it's the space. There's a lot of light in this one. And your gourmet kitchen with 42-inch counters, 42-inch upper cabinetry, sorry. And your quartz countertops, as well as a place where your standalone oven, microwave, your gas range, pantry, and your black features that are standard throughout the home, as well as your giant stainless steel sink with plugs on the side. And you're going to check out your breakfast nook, or whatever you want to use it for, which also lets in a lot of natural light. If you look out the window that's right there on the breakfast nook, you'll see that you have nobody backing you on this home. And that's a really nice touch to this home. And so we'll actually step outside in the backyard, give you a little good look real quick. Check out your covered back porch. It has a gas hookup, as well as your yard. And I failed to mention that this is a 60-foot lot, which gives your home a bigger footprint and over 3,400 square feet in this home. So we're going to continue HVAC controls. You're going to step into your room, which has a ton of natural light coming into it with your 3 windows up there. You know, your massive windows here that allow a lot of light. Now we're going to stand and walk into our amazing bathroom, which features a double vanity, garden tub, lots of natural light, stand-up shower with your, again, your standard black features that you see throughout the home. Your standalone toilet, sorry, for those who have stinky bathroom needs and want to fix them up by closing the door on them. So here we're walking through your master closet, where you'll see you get to look at myself all day long, or yourself, whoever you want to look at. Anyways, we're gonna walk through here. We're gonna go ahead and go through our laundry room, where you'll see built-in shelves, place for your washer and dryer, and access to your garage, which we'll check out right now. Into your 3-car garage, just take a quick pan around. Don't mind the paint buckets, they will be moved upon you moving in. So, anyways, that's your 3-car garage. Features a lot of space. Oh, I got stuck on the door. Keep going. Let's go. We're gonna keep moving. Now we're gonna go and check out this closet that is huge and has a lot of space for you to step in and walk through, and even a nice little hiding spot for your kids whenever you're playing hide and seek. All right, let's go. Upstairs we go. So you're gonna notice on the stairwell right here, you can opt to include open metal rails as well as the stained wood right here along the way, making this home feel a lot bigger than it already is, keeping it really open to letting a lot of light in, seeing a lot of space. So off here to my left, we're going to check out not only this massive game room or hangout room, second living room, whatever you want to make it, with access to the attic. But this is my favorite part of the house, and I want y'all to check it out. Because you could put a commercial movie theater in here with how big it is. A giant media room. I mean, I'm talking maybe a movie theater, maybe a golf simulator for your golf fanatics out there like myself. But that's for another day and another story. We're gonna walk over here, where we're gonna check out the rest of the bedrooms, as well as the bathroom. In one of the bedrooms, you have an ensuite type feel where you have a bathroom in the bedroom, and then the other bathroom will be right here next to it. So we're gonna walk into one of the other bedrooms. Again, I'm gonna point out some of the standard features of the black door handles, multiple places to hang clothes for your kids or whoever comes to stay with you. We're gonna walk back out this way. And we're gonna check out one of the bathrooms right here featuring single sink. Again, standard black features, tile backsplash in your bathroom, shower and tub, as well as your elongated toilets. For those of you who wanna know if you get that standard, the answer is yes. Anyway, we're gonna check out one of the other bedrooms, which, like I said, features an ensuite bathroom over here to my right, which also is a full bath, includes a stand-up shower, elongated toilet again as standard, and then a walk-in closet, again with multiple places to hang clothes if need be. And so we're gonna check out the last bedroom up here, which again is another generous sized bedroom. I will point out there's 5 bedrooms in this house, as I've already said multiple times. And again, another walk-in closet with multiple places to hang up clothes. If you have kids who have a lot of clothes, or if you just have a lot of stuff and need more closet space by yourself. So we're actually gonna wrap up the tour now. I just really, wanted to show y'all an inside look into one of Hawks Landing's gem of a home. And if you're ready to make that change, like I said in the beginning of the video, let me know. But if you can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate that, as it helps me to grow and continue to produce more videos like this one. Have a great day. Peace out.